What's up, guy? So today we're going to be replacing the end of this extension cord with this brand new plug here. The tools we will need for the job is a voltage detector, Phillips screwdriver, any kind of wire strippers or pliers will do the trick, and a knife. This is optional, but you will need some black tape. Start by cutting the extension cord. Then I will strip the insulation. Common, hot, ground. Remove the insulation from your extension cords. Time to get it set up. All right, guy, time to reassemble. All right, guy, go crazy.